Watching cooking shows or following our grandmas and mothers' recipes makes us think that cooking savory meals is easy. It feels the same with cookbooks. It is only when we experiment in the kitchen that we realize becoming a culinary expert requires more than just mimicking others. It needs a helping hand from timeless experts. There aren't many things that give as much pleasure as the rich taste of a properly cooked meal. Why is it that many of us fail to recreate the taste of a certain dish that we ate in some restaurant or home delivered? Maybe we lack the culinary magic or didn't have guidance from the right chef. That doesn't matter because we have brought the outright best cookbooks collection for you in this video. I have selected these 7 cooking books after sifting through hundreds, so be prepared to delve into the treasure trove of culinary adventures. Whether you're an accomplished chef looking to expand your repertoire, a home cook aiming to impress your dining partners, or a beginner eager to learn culinary magic, you are in for a one-of-a-kind gastronomic adventure. These absolute best cookbooks are your ticket to a world of countless mouth-watering possibilities. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Links to the books are given in the description below. Number 7. Noma by Aeling Simple. Let's start with a highly spoken of chef and author. He is a co-partner and head chef of Noma. It is a highly praised restaurant in Copenhagen. It has been ranked as the best eatery in the world several times due to Aeling's inventive use of Nordic cuisine. Noma is a gorgeous cookbook, gorgeous because the recipes are photographed spectacularly. The book contains 90 recipes. All of them underscore Aeling's superb culinary skills, with local and seasonal ingredients to reinvent traditional Nordic cuisine. The most interesting and phenomenal part is Aeling Simple's revolutionary exploration of the Nordic flavors in the evolutionary period of Noma. Saucified reindeer and lingonberry sorbet with carrot cake coating are some of his dishes that illustrate his insatiable desire for excellence and pushing the bounds of palate. This culinary genius uses flavors and aromas in a Scandinavian landscape to explain the bond between nature and cookery. It is an inspiration for passionate home chefs who want to create unique and appetizing dishes. Number 6. How to Cook Everything Vegetarian by Mark Bittman. The next recommendation is for all vegans. How to Cook Everything Vegetarian is a plant-based version of Mark Bittman's best-selling cookbook, How to Cook Everything. He is a renowned and revered food journalist and author. As the title suggests, it is a friendly cooking guide for all those chefs and home cooks who love meatless dishes. The book contains thousands of recipes that can be prepared in less than 30 minutes for anyone looking for plant-based delicious alternatives. Whether you want to prepare soups, salads, or delicious main dishes, Mark has shared tips and clear instructions for everything. Mark's interest in flexibility is eminent from the variations and substitutes he offers in his recipes. This helps cooks create food that caters to their unique taste and dietary needs. His creative approach to cooking makes it easy for both seasoned cooks and learners to adapt recipes with whatever ingredients are available. Number 5. The Flavor Bible by Andrew Dornenberg. He is half part of the influential culinary duo. The other half is his wife Karen Page. These two have co-authored several award-winning books on culinary arts. They also run a blog named Becoming a Chef. The Flavor Bible won the prestigious James Beard Award in 2009. Andrew shuns the follow recipe to the T belief for excellent cooking in this book. He argues that achieving excellence in culinary composition is more than sticking to a recipe. It is the art of knowing how to pair ingredients to enhance their flavor to the fullest. The author uses anecdotes from renowned chefs and his own expertise to help readers learn the secret of seasoning ingredients. The book also contains an array of ingredients, including meats, herbs, vegetables, and spices, in alphabetical order. It also offers a treasure of complementary flavors. This helps enthusiastic cooks create harmonious dishes without losing their unique touch of creativity. Hence, the book offers the liberty to tinker with temperature, texture, and ingredients to invent something that excites your taste buds. Number 4. Aeling Simple by Joachim Aeling. He has done masters in philosophy and literature. He radically switched to culinary art when he came to London in 1997. He worked in various restaurants before starting his eponymous chain of restaurants. Aeling Simple is self-explanatory. The book invites both seasoned chefs and novices to take a look at revolutionary cooking expertise. It contains Joachim's 130 easiest-to-prepare recipes. You will necessary guidelines to effortlessly create exquisite dishes. You can prepare them in around 30 minutes. From luxurious main courses to mouth-watering desserts, Aeling's techniques ensure that you make them with ease without destroying the bold flavor of each. The book shows how you can prepare delectable meals with simple ingredients with Yotam's signature Middle Eastern touch of flavors. If you want to bring complex flavors to your weeknight table without a fuss, there's no guide better than Yotam Aeling. Number 3. Salt, Fat, Acid, Heat by Salman Nosrat. She is a multi-talented woman. She is an accomplished culinary genius, writer, teacher, and television host. Salman received her culinary education from the famed Chez Panisse restaurant in California. If you're passionate about creating savory dishes in your kitchen, you must keep salt, fat, acid, heat around. In this book, the culinary genius explains how these 4 vital cooking elements affect flavor and texture of different cuisines. Her cooking techniques make complicated gastronomic concepts comprehensible and engaging. It is downright the best part of this cookbook. Nosrat shares culinary wisdom acquired from Chez Panisse to embolden readers to follow their instincts rather than rigidly sticking to a recipe. She presents stories and recipes from across the globe to show that you can create mouth-watering dishes with any ingredients anywhere. This great cooking teacher's Netflix documentary series with the same title has also widespread recognition. Number 2. Mastering the Art of French Cooking by Julia Child. She was a renowned American cook, television artist, and author. She brought French cuisine to the American public through her debut cookbook, Mastering the Art of French Cuisine, and many television programs. Mastering the Art of French Cuisine is a culinary gem that gives passionate cooks a tour of French cuisine. The book features more than 500 recipes, so there's something for every lover of food, from experts to novices to creatives who love to reproduce French cookery. Julia has focused on meticulous details to make complex French cuisine easy for home cooks and beginners. Julia uses an engaging style and step-by-step guidelines to help readers create delectable flavors of France right in their kitchens. Whether it is a savory sauce or exquisite pastry, Child's instructions will enable you to master the essence of haute cuisine and create delectable meals whenever your taste buds desire them. Number 1. The Joy of Cooking by Irma S. Rombauer. She used her life savings to self-publish the first edition of The Joy of Cooking during the Great Depression. She sold the initial copies door to door. That's how she gained widespread popularity. Now it is considered one of the most iconic cookbooks in the history of American cuisine. Millions of chefs and cooks have relied on this masterpiece for over 6 decades, so it is possible that your grandmother and mom might also have learned from this. Now it is your turn to continue the legacy. The book contains a variety of recipes, from typical American comfort food to intercontinental exquisiteness, in Irma's inviting tone. The book is divided into numerous chapters. Each focuses on a particular category like soups, vegetable dishes, meats, and sweet courses. She uses practical tips and examples to make cooking convenient and entertaining, especially for kitchen novices. The best part is the inclusion of substitutes and variations of ingredients to encourage creativity and appease specific dietary preferences. If you want a trusted companion and guide in the kitchen, get The Joy of Cooking. It is time to drop the curtain. Your next tantalizing meal is just a cookbook away. I hope these cookbooks will help you improve your kitchen prowess with accessible and inventive techniques. Pick the one that has recipes to appease your taste buds and be on your way to becoming the next culinary genius. I am sure your shelf has room for 1 or 2 cookbooks, doesn't it? If the video helped you find the next book you are going to read, then like and share this video. Let me know in comment section on what type of books I should cover in my next video. Also, if you read one of the books mentioned in this video, share your review or thoughts with us. Subscribe this channel for more such awesome videos. Thanks for watching.